The job of queries. You know what a query is in a normal situation. It means you're asking a question. The same basic concept applies to Excel and the use of queries. Are you using a database in conjunction with Excel? If you are, you'll find that queries, or the ability to search for specific information based on particular criteria that you set, will allow you to import external data from a database or even a web page directly into Excel. This adds more functionality and can save you a lot of time from going into a database manually or requesting data from a human source to add to your worksheet. Excel supports the use of a number of different databases, including Microsoft Access, which is part of the Microsoft Office package, as well as DBase and FoxPro, which are both very popular database platforms. You may discover that the first time you try to perform a query, which you do by opening the Data menu and selecting Import External Data, and then choosing New Database Query, that you may receive a message telling you that Microsoft Query is not currently installed. If that's the case, again, you'll need to insert your Excel 2003 or your Microsoft Office 2003 CD into your CD or DVD drive and click Yes when asked if you want to install the Microsoft Query feature now. You need to do this before you can continue. Once installed, you can look for information from an external data source, such as a data-backed web page or a database, which you can then bring into Excel and use. A query wizard is available to help step you through the process of creating a proper query, as well as to edit a query request you've already tried to run. Later, when we talk more about queries, I'll show you how to invoke the query wizard to do just that. But before we close, you may wonder about what types of web pages you can use for such queries. You'd be amazed. Various sales organizations, for example, set up data-backed web pages to allow their associates in the field to both send information from Excel or another program back to the home office, as well as to grab new data, such as current pricing and inventory figures, to bring into their remote PCs. One of my publishers uses one to allow me to import records on my book sales directly into Excel, while my bank has a data-backed page I log into securely to grab financial figures to import into Excel for my home and office banking.